Hello students, welcome back to the computer class. Okay, let us move on further to what we have left. Okay, so we were dealing with the Microsoft Paint. Okay, now today we are going to see how to use different tools in Microsoft Paint. Okay, there are three different tools that we have in Microsoft Paint. You have pencil tool, brushes tool, and you have line tool. Okay, first let us see what is this pencil tool that you can see in the Microsoft Paint. One can work with the pencil tool in the following ways. Okay, so these are the steps. First step is in the Microsoft Paint on the home tab in the tools group, you need to click the pencil tool. Okay, this type pencil tool you will see. Second step, so you're going to click on it. Second step, in the colors group, click color 1 and then choose a color. Third step is to select the background color. Okay, then click color 2 and then choose a color. So color 2 is used basically for the background color. Okay, so we are going to see this. First let me tell you what are the steps. Click the size button and then select the thickness for the line. Okay, you need to select the thickness. Drag the mouse inside the drawing area to draw the lines. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to follow, okay, while using the pencil tool. Second one is the brushes tool that you have. The brushes tool helps you draw lines and curves that have a different appearance and effect. It gives you a different appearance or the effect. There are different artistic brushes that you will find in Microsoft Paint. You can use the brushes tool by the following given steps. First, click the artistic brush that you want to use. Once you do that, click the size button and then select the thickness for the brush. In the colors group, click color 1 and choose a color. Drag the mouse inside the drawing area to draw or color. Okay. Third tool is line tool. Okay. To use the line tool, you need to follow the following steps. In the shapes group, you will find this line tool. So click the line tool. Click the size button and then choose a line size. In the colors group, click color 1 and choose a color. Then drag the pointer in the following in the drawing area to draw a shape which is made up of lines. You can also change the line style. Okay, in the shapes group, click outline and then choose a line style. Okay. Drag the mouse inside the drawing area to draw a line. So this is how you can make follow the steps, okay, and draw a line using a line tool. Okay. Next is we are going to see is how to close a paint. In order to close a paint, you need to click on the menu on the screen. Okay. Click the exit button or the close button on the menu. Okay, now let us see what exactly we need to do in Microsoft Paint. First let us see how to use pencil tool. Okay, so here I am selecting a pencil tool. First I'll select the color 1 as black. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll draw something. Say for example I want to draw an apple. Before that what I'll do, I'll select the thickness. Okay, so suppose I want this particular thickness. Okay, so thickness. Okay, now I will draw an apple. Alright. Okay, this is how I can draw an apple. And if I want to so this is how we can make use of pencil tool. Say suppose I want to make use of brushes tool now. So click on this brushes. Okay, select the color, say red, color 1. Select brushes, say you want this brush. Okay, so I've selected the brush. Now go on coloring that part. If you wanted to, color. Okay, so in this way you can color with the help of a brush. Whichever brush you want you can use. So whatever the extra thing it is there, if I want to wipe it, go to eraser, then select white and then rub this part. See, okay, just rub this part, click on that particular area. So I have made use of eraser. Okay, click on it, again go to red, click on the brush, select the brush, want to fill here, that also you can do. Okay, that also you can do. Alright, so this is how you can make use of brushes, brush tool. Third, let me show you about the line tool. Okay, suppose I want to color, before moving on to the line tool, I want to color this leaf shape. Okay, so select the green color. Now I'll change the size of the brush. Say I want to use this one. Okay, so this way you can color. Okay, now I'll use a line tool. Select the color as black, color 1. I'll go to the size. Say suppose select the pencil, go to size, say thickness, black color I have selected. Now I'll go to the line. Okay, now I want to draw a line. Okay, draw some figure. Again go there, click on the line. Okay, now like this, bring it properly, go to line, again go to line, okay, then again go to line, now if I want to color this, okay, so what I'll make use of color. Okay, fill, select the color, say brown I want. Okay, and here say I want black. Okay, so black. Okay, so this is how you can make use of line tool. We have seen how we can make use of brush tool and pencil tool. Okay, that's it students. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, before that I'll just save this. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, I'll save.